what's the second one is doing. See that every day. It's like I read that like a book.
So where you say from Europe? Where originally?
I am from Albania. It's like Italy, Greece, if you know over there.
So what do people drive like there? Is it crazy? Busy, fast? Like here,
It's everywhere, everywhere. Yeah, they do. They do. Let's see now. Oh, this guy is just drinking a coffee and kind of being everybody aware that the wolf is around, but just trying to, you know. They do that so everybody can kind of slow down because they know people are speeding.
Little reminder.
So that they don't want to catch anybody now. They're just being around. Yep. It's 8 in the morning. They don't want to get out from the car. You know, it's cold. What the heck? Only if accident happen, that's fine. Yeah. Think about it. You know what? I was thinking to be a cop.